How is Joinder tested on the MBE? Have you ever wondered how the Multistate Bar Examination tests your knowledge of Joinder in civil procedure? Understanding this concept is essential for your bar exam preparation. Joinder involves combining multiple claims or parties into one lawsuit, and it is a key area of focus on the examination. First, let's break down the types of joinder you need to know. There are two main categories: permissive joinder and required joinder. Permissive joinder, outlined in Rule 20, allows multiple plaintiffs to sue a single defendant or a single plaintiff to sue multiple defendants if their claims arise from the same event. This means if several people are affected by the same incident, they can join together in one lawsuit. On the other hand, required joinder, found in Rule 19, involves parties that must be included in a lawsuit. If these parties are not included, the court may not be able to deliver justice effectively. This is important because it ensures that all necessary parties are present to resolve the issues at hand. Another important aspect is intervention, which is covered by Rule 24. This rule allows a non-party to join a lawsuit if they have a significant interest in the outcome. For example, if a person believes they will be affected by the result of a case, they can intervene. Interpleader, as described in Rule 22, is another form of joinder. This occurs when a party faces conflicting claims over property and seeks to resolve those claims in court. Now let's talk about claims joinder. You should be familiar with counterclaims and crossclaims. A counterclaim is a claim made by a defendant against a plaintiff, as stated in Rule 13. A crossclaim, according to Rule 13, is a claim made by one party against a co-party. Additionally, third-party practice under Rule 14 allows a defendant to bring in a new party who may be liable to them. When preparing for the Multistate Bar Examination, you will encounter questions that test your ability to apply these rules in various scenarios. You might be asked whether a party must be joined under Rule 19 or if a claim can be joined under Rule 13. It is also essential to understand the distinctions between the joinder rules and the consequences of misjoinder or non-joinder. Misjoinder can lead to severance or separation of claims, which can complicate a case. In practice questions, you may face scenarios where you need to decide whether to join a claim or party, or how to handle a situation where a party is improperly joined. As you study for the Multistate Bar Examination, reviewing these concepts and practicing their application will help you feel more confident. Understanding how joinder works is a fundamental part of civil procedure, and it will serve you well on the exam.